Hey guys, on today's tech tip, we're going to go over modal data. Have you ever had the instance where you're running a program and you want to confirm what RPM or feed rate you're currently programmed to? To do that, you want to come to our program execution tab, and by default, it should appear at the bottom right of all of our modal information, such as the spindle speed that's commanded in the NC file, the program feed rate, the work offset, and any coolant calls that you may have in your program. If it's not here, or if you wanted to add it to one of the additional screens, you simply do a long button click, and we'll see select panel pop up. And we want to hit the modal information, and here that window now popped up in this area so we can view it on any one of our other screens.